So in this video, we are going to be solving some of the Jamb recommended questions. Now, this question was coined out from a Jamb previous past question. It's a simplified it. Now, in order to simplify it, we are going to find the conjugate of 2 minus root 3. Now, this means we're going to be multiplying this by 2 plus root 3. Now, recall that the conjugate is what? 2 plus root 3. Now, notice I'm multiplying this by 1 because when this cancel this, it's still 1. So, this is still this. So, now 1 times 2 is going to give us 2. 1 times plus root 3 will give us plus root 3. And that is for the numerator. Now, the denominator, 2 times 2, we're going to get 4. 2 times plus root 3 will get 2 root 3. Now, we'll get minus root 3 times 2, we have a minus 2 root 3 all over. Then we have minus root 3 times plus root 3, we're going to have minus 3. Because when root 3 times root 3, you're going to get 9, and square root of 9 is 3. So from here, you have your answer to be 2 plus root 3 all over. Now, you have plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. That will be 0. So because this is plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that will be 0. Then 4 minus 3 is going to give us 1. That means our final answer is going to be 2 plus root 3. So as easy as that, you can solve this question. And you can see the correct answer here. It's D. Okay, so let's solve another recommended question. This question was also coined out from the Jamb previous past question. Now this question says, express this in the form of x plus y root 2. Find the values of x and y. So this is 1 plus root 2 over 1 minus root 2. Now what do? You also rationalize this, multiplying by 1 plus root 2. Now, note that we get the conjugate from the denominator. So we reverse the sign. So this will now be 1 plus root 2. So notice we're still multiplying this by 1. Now this is going to be 1 times 1 will be 1. 1 times plus root 2 will be plus root 2. Plus root 2 times 1 will give us plus root 2, and plus root 2 times plus root 2 will give us what? 2 all over. We have 1 times 1, 1. 1 times plus root 2, we have plus root 2. Minus 2 root 2 times 1 will give us minus root 2, and minus root 2 times plus root 2 will give us minus 2. Okay, so from here, this is going to give us, this will be 1 plus 2, this will be 3. Then plus root 2 plus root 2, that will give us plus 2 root 2 all over. Now we have plus root 2 minus root 2 is going to give us 0, and 1 minus 2 is going to give us what? Minus 1. So from here, I'm going to have 3 over minus 1 plus 2 root 2 over minus 1. Now from here, I could have 3 divided by minus 1. It's going to give me minus 3. Then, this is also divided by minus 1. So, 2 root 2 divided by minus 1 will give me minus 2 root 2. Now, when you compare your answer, minus 3 minus 2 root 2 to x plus y root 2. From here, you see your x is what? Minus 3, and your y is what? Minus 2. So, we are going to choose the one that has minus 3 and minus 2, and our final answer here is B. So these are several questions you could be expecting in your job. So you need to understand rationalizing of sort. Now, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can get more videos from us.